1 minute and 45 seconds, and you'll lose yourself in this magical scene of nature. This video is a short yet deep journey where the whispers of the trees, the soft rustling of leaves, and the gentle calls of birds bring a kind of peace that's rare in today's busy world. If you wish to escape the noise of life for just a moment, these few seconds are made for you. Give yourself this gift today: peace, silence, and the pure beauty of nature. Put on your headphones, close your eyes, and feel the presence of nature. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. For more beautiful content, subscribe to our channel and follow us on TikTok.